Hey guys, TameRider996 here, and back again in Unity. Can you believe it? But hey, what's this little ball? Who knows? That's a world! Yay! Got that nice skybox that looks really weird. I'm gonna try and fix that. I really actually don't know how to. Yeah, and well, started on this new map. I got rid of the idea of infinite terrain. So now I'm going to make a nice custom map with respawning things. So if I was to go in here right now, it's not much, you know. And still got a nice character controller. Improve the textures of the trees a little bit. I cannot fix the leaves. Solve them problems. This has actual texture, this has texture. So the strings work better than the trees and all that stuff. Skybox is weird because I'm using a texture for it and it doesn't really want to render properly. So this is really just a giant circle. Yeah, that's how that works. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. But today I had made something pretty nice. And it's a nighttime kind of skybox thingy, and I want to work on the night cycle. See, this is a very eerie and a bit too dark. I'm gonna have to add a little bit of light, and I'll see you guys in a second when we start the video. Guys, I want to get your opinion on this one. This is a new type of shadow thing I'm doing with a light thing. So does it look any better? Maybe. Try and change a few things. Fractional light and make it a little bit more immersive. That's blue. The testing things. I think that should be good. Try and improve the intensity. 1 maybe. 1.5. I know. Maybe 4 for this. You know, just this is how people do it, you know. And does this look any better? I mean, it's a little bit more kind of. And look, guys, it's the sun. It's the sun. I wanna touch it. Well, good thing. I should add a hack for flying. Good thing it is a 3D object flying up here in the other sphere with the skybox, and it has the directional light that's for daytime and all that stuff. And I forgot to show you guys nighttime what I did with it. And yeah, I'm gonna do a script for all this, by the way. I'm not gonna keep it like how it is. So this looks a little weird. I know what you people saying. I see. I don't know why these leaves are so saturated right now. They're so much lighter than everything. I don't really know what's happening. And I go in here and I could lower the intensity of everything. 0.5, maybe less, 0.1. I'll change this up to like 0.5. I don't really know. I ain't sure. If I come back into here, it looks. It's got like a little bit of kind of light coming off of it. And there's the immersive background. That's pretty bad. I need to fix this skybox situation. And the shine on this, I don't really know how to fix that. And I'm not a pro, everyone. I'm an amateur game dev. Everyone knows this. But yeah. Okay, so this is what I got. I made it so it starts out at day. And this is very ever so gradually, if you can see the shadows. Slightly moving. And that's because, you know, the light is moving and it's slowly dimming. That's pretty nice. I also got other stuff done, you know, in between the last video and all that stuff. I just come into here, it's my regular canvas. Just do that. I didn't want it in the way of when I was training things. come into here. I got a nice stat list thing. It like decreases slowly, and this is, by the way, the inventory. Yet again, crafting's being weird. I don't have things. So I can just come over here and pick up things, question marks, more like, and get some more things. Yeah, you can see my thirst is slightly going down, because that's how that works. Got a rock, doesn't do anything. And yeah, I'm gonna have to leave this video off here because I don't want to waste too much of your people's times. I've wasted so much of my time. You guys can see my time in the bottom right. And so, like and subscribe if you